Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana. Dear Bagana's friends, so glad that we can meet again at the Bagana Studio at Menara 165 with me, Ipung. This time, let us learn about disasters and preparedness. As we know, that Indonesia is a country that confluence of three tectonic plates. There are Australia, Eurasia, and the Pacific. No wonder if it calls a disaster supermarket, where all types of disaster are present. It's no wonder that Indonesia is one of the most disaster-prone countries. Indonesia ranks first out of 76 countries for tsunami and landslide hazard of out 162, third for earthquake threats of 153 and 6 for floods of 162 derived from Global Assessment Report 2029. Disasters, both natural and natural, has been a part of our daily lives these days. The information technology revolution not only reports disaster elsewhere in the world, but with real-time video, this event seems close and immediate to us. The frequency of their occurrence is incalculable, not only monthly, weekly, daily, or even hourly, but now every minute and every second. Disasters have become a powerful mantra, making people of various elements of society increasingly aware and familiar with them. Perhaps because disaster always stuck at the heartstring of humanity and knock on the door of compassion, every disaster never escaped our attention. Anyway, what is a disaster? The basics of disaster management include understanding the types of disaster, namely natural disaster, non-natural disaster, and social disaster. Meanwhile, the disaster management cycle consists of prevention, mitigation, preparedness, emergency response, and recovery. The principle of preparedness, such as avoiding panic and prioritizing personal safety, and the legal basis governing it in Indonesia, are contained in Law Number 24 in 2007 concerning disaster management. This aims to reduce the risks and impacts of losses from events that threaten people's lives and livelihoods, and is regulated by the government and regional government in an integrated manner. Basic concept of disasters. The definition of a disaster is an event or series of events that threaten and disrupt the life or livelihoods of a community caused by natural or non-natural causes and humans, resulting in loss of life, environmental damage, and property loss according to Law Number 24 in 2007. Types of disaster according to Law Number 24 in 2007 are natural disasters, earthquakes, tsunami, volcanic eruption, floods, droughts, hurricanes, landslides. Non-natural disasters such as technological failure, modernization failure, epidemics, disease outbreaks, and social disasters such as social conflict and terrorism. Meanwhile, the disaster management cycle is a planned process that includes prevention, effort to avoid or reduce the causes of disaster. For example, there is no temporary house or building on riverbanks. Mitigation. Disaster risk reduction such as terracing, reforestation, and spatial planning. Preparedness, disaster preparedness such as simulation, provision of logistics. Emergency response, immediate response when a disaster occurs like a rescue, emergency assistance. Recovery, post-disaster recovery such as rehabilitation and reconstruction. Principles of self-preparedness. Don't be panicked. The most important thing is control your emotion. Prioritize personal safety. Save yourself first, then help others. Prioritize life. Put your patience aside during an emergency. Everyone is at risk from potential disaster, so disaster management is everyone's business. Therefore, such responsibility is necessary to improve preparedness at all levels, including children, teenagers, and adults. This is similar to what has been done in Japan to raise awareness of disaster preparedness. In general, the main factor in the number of casualties, damage, and losses arising from disaster is the lack of understanding and awareness of the community and biosource and environmental management actors about disaster risks in their area. In addition, inadequate structural mitigation support is also an inseparable factor. This results in lack of awareness, vigilance, and preparedness in dealing with disasters. That is all that we can share. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan. Salam Bagana.